Hey food family, we're cooking beyond measure again, and on today's menu, fresh fruit cake. This is super simple. You're basically gonna use a box cake mix. Follow the ingredients on the box. 3 eggs, you're gonna have your oil, and then you're gonna have your water. The only thing extra is the jello pudding that I'm adding to the mix. You may want to add that to all your cake mixes. Simple. Alright, so let's just get right into it. Like I said, you're just going to follow the basic box instructions for your cake mix. Again, the only thing additional that I'm adding here is going to be the box of instant jello pudding. Go ahead and add in your oil, your water, your 3 eggs. You may want to make sure your eggs are room temperature. It makes for a better, more decadent cake. The pudding, if you're wondering why I add the box of vanilla pudding, it makes your cake super moist and super rich. Never mind this part. It's actually gonna get a little messy, but it's okay. It's okay to get a little messy. Cooking is love, cooking is fun, cooking's gonna be a little bit messy. It's okay. It's all gonna turn out great. So just continue to mix that. Mix it pretty well. We'll go back later, scrape the sides, and get it all incorporated. So go ahead, do your scrape around, do one final mix so that you don't have any dryness in there. Take your cake dish. It's already been sprayed with cooking spray so that it doesn't stick. Pour it in, and you're gonna bake this cake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Level it out. That's it, that's all. Okay, so here's the fun part. Now, in this particular cake, I'm adding strawberries, mango, and I'm showing you cherries, but I decided to go against the cherries because I wanted, so I actually added blueberries, and you'll see that in the end. But you can add any fresh fruit you'd like to add. I've added peaches before. I've actually done kiwi. I've actually even put grapes and bananas on it. It's completely up to you. So here you'll see me go ahead and cut up my strawberries. You can chunk them, you can slice them, you can leave them whole, however you want. One thing I want to make note of, you see the pretty red color on these strawberries? When I tell you they look just as gorgeous in person, it's amazing. So yeah, just slice them up, throw them over in the bowl. Once you get them all sliced, rinse them off real good, leave them in the bowl, and set them to the side. Now let's work on the mango. I know you've seen several of my videos where I've worked with mango, reason being, simply put, I love mango. You know, it is what it is. So we're just gonna peel it the same as if you would peel any other fruit or potato even. Just go around, get all the peel off. If you have a fruit peeler, you know, that may work better for you. I'm just used to doing it this way. I'm kind of country that way. Go ahead and cut out any undesired sections or spots on the fruit as well while you're peeling. I'm doing this slowly because it's somebody somewhere that is not completely comfortable with peeling their fruit and vegetables this way. So I kind of want you to see the actual technique. And you're basically just using your thumb and your forefingers, and you just slide it through easily. Not too hard. And like I said, just cut out the undesired pieces. And we're just gonna start kind of chunking this up. Now, if you want to, you know, slice it in a special way and design, totally up to you. I'm just gonna kind of chunk it here. And here you see once I cut it off the seed, and there's actually a pretty big flat seed inside of it, and I just cut the, quote unquote meat off of the seed, and like I said, I'm just gonna chunk it up here, bite-sized pieces. And just continue through until you've cut up all of the mango. I think in this one I did about 3 or 4 mango total. So after about 25 minutes, golden brown deliciousness. Perfectly baked, perfectly brown. After you've let your cake completely cool, go ahead and add your Cool Whip. I apologize, I did not show you this in the beginning, but go ahead and add that all across the top of your cake. Now you can also make homemade whipping cream, and it's simply a carton of heavy whipping cream, add a little sugar, and you just completely whip that until you get the consistency that you're looking for. I've done that several times, but again, for this one, in this video, we're just doing it at home. I just threw it together real quick. I've also made this cake before without putting the whipping cream on top, and I've actually done like an instant pudding on top. But again, this cake is actually typically served cold or room temperature. I like it cold. But you have the option of using the whipping cream on top as your base, or you can also use, like I said, vanilla pudding as well. Whipping cream gives it a really light, and it almost makes you feel like you're on a diet, even though we're not. So yeah, you just add your fruit in any design you would like, or any way you would like. I'll add pictures later if I can find it. I've actually made it where I just completely mixed all the fruit together and just kind of bashed it all on top. This one I'm gonna try and do some type of arrangement. I'm actually arranging fruit on this one, but like I said, do it however you like. So here you'll see me just put the strawberries all the way around. Then I'm gonna do a layer of the mango all the way around. And then, like I said previously, we're gonna add the blueberries in the very center, just to give it a little more color depth. One thing I can say, baking is typically artistry, and you kind of have to have an eye sometimes for it. When I'm baking and when I'm cooking even, I'm all about presentation and look. So, some say I'm extra, be that as it may. I may be a little extra, but I just love for my food to be pretty sometimes. It is what it is. So, just about done here. That last section in the very middle, we're just going to add blueberries. You can use fresh blueberries. I think I had some frozen blueberries that I thawed out, and just put them right there in the center. Artwork in the making. Here we are, the finished fresh fruit cake. But hey, if you love this as much as I love this video, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sharing is caring, so make sure you share it to all your groups and with all your friends and family. Love you lots.